We are praising the Lord, and
I'm making my friend again. He wants to know what we're doing.
You met Roy, our father, Bar.
Bar, nice to meet you.
So, yeah, we're here to just check up on things.
Talk about things. We've never had anyone from your monastery here before. We're excited to have you. All of the other nuns sleeping in close quarters in the nunnery.
Yeah. Sounds good.
I'm actually gonna go tell them over right now.
Okay. So she was nice.
She's real nice. You know, she's got some nice, whatever it's called. This is a weird nunnery. What are we doing here?
We're here to inspect the nuns to make sure everything's
So we're undercover?
Yes. We gotta make sure everything's up to code.
Okay, I'm gonna get her. Okay, you stay undercover. You stay down low.
Alright, I'll ask her. Oh, okay.
Pool here.
Oh, was that pool confirmed?
It's full of cold water. Kind of burns though a little bit.
Why would it burn for you?
I'm not quite sure.
You should put those away.
This is my uniform.
It's not very modest. I don't think the Pope would approve. I'll go ask my partner, see if he approves.
I most certainly do approve.
You found the pool.
I did find the pool. I wonder why there's a pool in the nunnery. This is a weird one. I was wondering why they were all naked. I'm like,
They were naked?
I got them to take their clothes off. They're not very good nuns. They fall into temptation very easily.
Our thing is, this is not a nunnery. It might be a whorehouse.
Yeah, and I think they're just taking grants from the church.
Okay, you have to get more out of this lady. She's great.
Alright, I'll target her. Yes, I have a few questions to ask you about the operations here. So what do you do from day to day?
We swim in the pool.
Nothing else? Nothing out of the ordinary for a nun, perhaps?
No, I mean, we praise the Lord. We're wet all the time.
In what way?
Can you not see what I'm talking about?
No, I think I'll ask my partner to ask. To find out the correct way.
Yes. This is a lot easier on the mermaid movie. No, I wasn't. I was in a mermaid porno once, though.
Oh, that's weird for a nun to be. I thought you're not allowed to.
I mean, a holy porno.
A holy porn. Can you explain what that is?
We praise the Lord
Oh, and as you heard, ordering up.
as we're naked mermaids. Do you have an issue with this?
I don't, but my partner might. Okay, good.